Today we're here standing right outside of River Place on the park. This is a fantastic little pocket of River North. It's quiet, it's serene. You're obviously located right on the river, as well as some other amenities. You have a dog park, you have close proximity to transportation, you have close proximity to the highway that you can jump on, but you're not too far away from all that River North has to offer as far as bars, nightlife, entertainment. It's literally a hop, skip, and a jump east on Hubbard. So today we're gonna do a little property walkthrough of this unit that's located at 700 North Larrabee. The unit's 1802. My client has done some fantastic renovations to it. All right, let's go take a look inside. So recently the building has done some fantastic updates with the common areas, from lighting to paint to the lobby and carpet in the hallways. So we'll take a look at those as you move up through the building. The amenity in the building is the exercise room. As you can see, we're standing here in the exercise room. Pretty much has everything that you need to get the job done and stay healthy. All right, we're standing here in the unit. Right in front of me, behind you, is the front door. We're standing in a nice size foyer where you can sit down after walking in, take off your shoes. There's great coat closet space over here to your right. Right-hand side when you walk in, there's a full bathroom. There is high efficiency LG washer and dryer in unit. One thing I would like to point out is all the flooring is high-end engineered wood flooring. To your left over here is the guest bedroom, which is lofted. It has a really cool aesthetic. You have cement ceilings, which is great for sound barrier. So one of the things that I love about the kitchen is the lighting. It's fantastic lighting throughout, but in particular the kitchen, pay mind to that it's a combination of stainless steel, contemporary modern, high-end track lighting, along with beautiful minimalistic pendant lighting, along with overmount lighting and undermount lighting. And then also it has accent lighting for cabinets. One thing that I would like to point out is the attention to detail. He completely rehabbed the kitchen with custom cabinetry, high-end pools here. You have also high-end stainless steel Viking appliances, an undermount stainless steel deep bowl sink here in the kitchen. You have a beautiful marble waterfall island here. Moving into the family room, living room, this is a custom tiled fireplace. He also changed out what was previously here into a more contemporary modern fireplace that is controlled by a remote. So you can be sitting on your couch and you can simply flip it on with the remote. So as you walk down the hallway into the kitchen and living room combo, it's a fantastic open concept that has great natural light and a great view of the river heading north. Nice size balcony, which again, you have a great north-facing view of the river. To your right, you have the master bedroom, double bowl vanity, stand-up shower. And then you move into a large bedroom. This is a king-size bed with a large bed frame with two large end tables. So you can kind of get an idea of the space. Again, notice the fantastic high-end lighting fixture chandelier above the bed, just giving it that extra flair. Again, I wanted to point out that you have access to the balcony, and also you're getting great natural light into the master bedroom suite. All of the windows have window treatments. So in here you have window treatment above, you have the shades, you also have blinds as well. Over here you have custom shoe closet. And then over on this side, you have double door reach-in closets that have all been built out.